Do you know that your brain remembers colors for 40% better than the plain text? This is why I'm going to teach you Band 9 style writing today in a visually stunning way so that you don't really learn it, but you actually remember it for the exam. Okay, now listen. Pink sentences will be like road signs, they guide your essay, and purple will be like luxury cars, upgraded sentences. Pink sentences will also be Band 9 upgraded sentences, but they will be like signpost words and phrases. They will be guiding your essay, and purple will be like upgraded sentences, luxury cars. Today we are supposed to convert this essay into a Band 9 essay. Now the topic is, some people think university education should be free for everyone, while others argue students should pay for their studies. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Now introduction. Some people think university education should be free for everyone. Others believe students should pay for their studies. This essay will discuss both views and give my opinion. Now upgraded to Band 9. It is widely debated. Instead of saying some people think, say it is widely debated. It is widely debated that university education should be free for everyone, whereas others argue that individuals should pay for their studies. This essay will explore both perspectives before presenting my opinion. Instead of saying this essay will discuss both, you say explore both perspectives before presenting my opinion. And you can also say individuals should bear the cost of their studies instead of saying should pay for their studies. Now, body paragraph 1. Some people think university education should be free for no. Body paragraph 1 is this. On one side, free education can create equal opportunities for all students. Many students are poor and cannot afford fees. If education is free, these students can study and achieve their goals. Now, upgraded version. On one hand, free education can create equal opportunities for all students. A noteworthy point is that many students come from low-income backgrounds and cannot afford expensive tuition fees. If education is free, these students can pursue their dreams and contribute positively to the society. For instance, a brilliant student who cannot afford education might otherwise never become a doctor or engineer. Now notice this pink line. This is guiding my essay. It is giving an outstanding boost to my essay. So always before presenting any opinion, advantage or disadvantage, write these kind of phrases. A noteworthy point is, it is important to mention, it is essential to highlight that. Another key point is, another significant advantage is, they just give an outstanding boost to your essay and easily push your score higher. Okay. Instead of saying poor, say low income background. Instead of saying talented, say brilliant or academically gifted. Okay. Now, second paragraph. On the other side, some people think students should pay for their education. Universities need money to run properly. Moreover, they need to pay teachers. Conversely, opponents argue. Never say others argue. Always say opponents argue or critics argue. Conversely, opponents argue that students should pay for their education. It is essential to highlight that universities require substantial funding to maintain infrastructure and hire qualified teachers. Instead of saying universities need money, say universities require substantial funding. And instead of saying they need to pay teachers, say they need to hire qualified teachers. Another key point is that paying for education will encourage students to take their studies more seriously. Now notice these pink phrases. They are giving such a fantastic boost to my essay. They are guiding my essay. I could have started my sentences right from here, that paying for education, but I wrote these phrases before. So you can clearly see the difference. So always use these kind of phrases before presenting any disadvantage, point or opinion. Okay. Now conclusion. In my opinion, education should be affordable for everyone as it helps the society. From my perspective, instead of saying in my opinion, say from my point of view, from my perspective, education should be affordable for everyone. Education is a fundamental right, and government should invest in it heavily to build a stronger and more skilled society. Instead of saying it helps society, say it helps in building a stronger and more skilled society. Okay. Now this is clearly a Band 9 essay, and we upgraded using the same ideas given in this essay. We just upgraded the lines, the phrases. The ideas were same. So only memorize just 3 of the phrases I gave you here. Memorizing only 3 or the 4 of the phrases given here will easily push your band score to band 9. Okay. Please tell me how was my lesson. I was not feeling today. No, I was not feeling well today. Still I made the video. So please, for God's sake, tell me in the comments whether my lessons are engaging or not. Thank you.